Hey, it's Mark Hales with ATG Pharma. I'm the Business Development Manager here, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit more about our MonoPress cartridge capper. So the MonoPress is a tool used in production to help efficiently place the caps or mouthpieces from cartridges and lock them onto place. This can be used on child-proof type locking mechanisms and any style of press-fit mouthpiece, regardless of the shape. Traditionally, cartridges were capped one by one using an arbor press or some type of press that is not a pneumatic or automated system. This is a very efficient way, but does require a lot of operators in order to keep up with a high volume production. We find that the MonoPress can replace anywhere between 4 and 6 operators using arbor presses and produce the same amount of finished products at the end of the day. So we custom make our blocks in-house, depending on which style of cartridge our client is using. We can also use preloaded trays, which are now becoming more popular in the market, so that you do not have that loading and unloading step whatsoever in the process. The MonoPress works in combination with the RoboCap to assist with the filling and capping process and keep it within the range of the manufacturer's provided timeline. Most manufacturers claim that within 2 minutes is the adequate timeline to fill and cap a cartridge. If you're outside of that 2-minute mark, you can see leaks and oxidization or discoloration of your product. For both the filling and cap, all within the manufacturer's timelines for most cartridges on the market today. There are a variety of different closing pressures across cartridges on the market. We generally try to find what that closing pressure is, figure out the max number of cartridges we can cap on the system at once, and go from there. An example of how the whole process works is you have a tray on the actual RoboCap machine. The trays will consist of smaller blocks which will house your cartridge devices, depending on how many can be capped at once, which is all based on the pressure needed to close the actual mouthpiece. From there, the RoboCap will fill the cartridges on the tray. The operator will then remove the completed blocks with the full cartridges in and hand them over to the next station, which would be the MonoPress capping. This full solution can be done within a 2-minute timeline, and it does not matter whether you're doing a 9 cartridge or 50 cartridges. The MonoPress generally costs about 1/3 of the salary of an entry-level machine operator, and it never calls in sick.